miss ko eh. Miss. Yeah, that made my day. There's always something going on with this thing, and I noticed it when I put everything together, when I secure it with the bolt. This flanges is hitting the steering column trim piece, and I just have to remove some material. I have already removed some like about 1/16 or 1/8, I think it's 1/8 of an inch, and I think what it was, I didn't cut it, I didn't remove material evenly, so I put some tape on it and only half of it right here. So I just need to remove some more, and when I get perfect everything, I'll put it on there, and I'll show it to you guys where it's riding. And this is what happened when the part is not really designed for your car, but I'm making it work. I think I got it, and see, it's all contoured with my blue tape, so I think that should do it. Okay, okay, let's put it on. All right, let me show you where it's riding on. When everything put together, it's riding on these two sides right there. I think I got it. I got it enough where it's not riding, but let me check. I have to torque the bolt, and I have this hinge manual for Honda Civic, but they're the same, and it says steering wheel nut and 36 foot-pounds. And let's try that. Good. And again, I got plenty of clearance here, both sides, so clear it out. And I'm gonna put the adapter on and tuck this in. I'm trying to figure out the horn button, and I thought everything is will be done deal. And let me just show you what I found. When you put together, there's nothing. And I checked this thing with voltmeter, with the key ignition on and everything, and nothing. You should have a positive 12 volts all the time. But anyway, I thought about plugging the cruise control, and it worked. So these two are hot wired, and I already probed the pins with the voltmeter. And it's nothing. There you go, that one. So I have to bridge those two, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the two pins from one of my spares and just loop them together and plug it in, and this should plug in no problem. There should be enough room on here, and I don't want to cut this off. Like I said, wonder if I could just wonder how pull the pins out. No, I can't, it's a tape. Well, anyway, I think that'll be the easier for me, and just take these two off and then wire them together. Okay, I'll just do that, and I'll come. Here it is. I just soldered it, and I just put some heat shrink wrap on there, and this is the same thing as what I have here. Basically the same thing, small one. So, if I can only get it on there. Okay, one is in. Okay, I think it's on, and let's try it. Where's my piece of wire? There you go. Cool. All right. Next is the hub. Okay, next is the hub. Then I just need to tuck this in. See if I can put this good place for this. Okay. Back. I'll make sure that I don't pinch my wire. Oops. Hold the box right here. Okay, and I guess we're ready to try the steering wheel. I got this one pre-assembled earlier, so let's try it on. Lock it so. All right, no sound, nothing, no rubbing sound. Oh, it's perfect. Cool. My driving position, leg room, clutch, and my finger for the turn signal. There's plenty of to catch on. I don't have to remove my my hands up from the steering wheel, and not bad. Not bad at all. All right, and of course, the icing of the cake. Let's put the icing of the cake. that one stays. I don't have to use that one. It's already the whole body's grounded anyway, and this will take care of this. Will touch the bare metal. Right, now I gotta test the SRS and just do final check and horn button. Let me connect the battery. Alright, let's try it. SRS goes out. Yeah. Alright, horn button. Good. One more time. SRS is on. Give it a few seconds. Goes out. Right on. Well, let's see if this thing starts. All right. SRS is gone. Horn button works. Well, guys, that's it for installation of my personal steering wheels together with the NRG steering hub, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. And I know it's a little bit overkill doing all that modification, but hey, I have to adapt and improve somehow. And well, I've had some fun doing this, and hopefully it'll last for a long time. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys back. Alright, bye bye.